Well, are you looking for a free at-home COVID test? The state could soon be able to send you one.
The Washington State Department of Health today announced during today's press briefing they are launching a state portal to order free rapid at-home antigen test kits. KREM 2's Cody Proctor tuned into today's briefing. She is live in the newsroom tonight with more. Cody?
Well, Mark and Whitney, the announcement came one day after the federal government kicked off their at-home COVID test ordering website early. So this gives Washingtonians another source for getting an at-home test. DOH says they'll give each household one kit with 4 to 5 tests in each kit. The department ordered 3.5 million tests for the program and expects to help about 350,000 households across the state in the first week.
However, those tests are coming into us over several weeks, and the portal is dependent on our supply. So while supply chains are improving, they are still strained, and when we are low or out of stock temporarily, you will not be able to order a test.
Once ordered, the test kit is expected to arrive in 1 to 2 weeks. An exact start date for the portal hasn't been set yet, but DOH expects it'll be in the next few days. Now, this announcement comes at a time when getting a test, whether it's an at-home rapid test or PCR test, has been very difficult. Recently, the Meade School District canceled sports practices and games after running out of COVID tests for students. They'd been waiting for a COVID test shipment since December 10th, even offering to go over to Olympia to pick them up and getting a state representative involved to see if they could pick up tests. They finally did get those tests this week, meeting a DOH employee in Moses Lake. And I asked the Department of Health about the delay of tests for Meade. They told me they're aware of the request from the school district. They say there were multiple factors for the delays, including supply shortages, right as Omicron surged and testing demand increased, and winter storms that closed off the passes and caused flooding. The department says they've improved their shipping methods, including adding staff to their warehouse and having limited will call pickup. However, the key word is limited, saying they don't want people showing up at the warehouse since it's not a normal spot for giving out tests. Instead, they want to use their own shipping process to get tests to schools. In the newsroom, Cody Proctor, KREM 2 News.
Cody, thank you.